West on Barton, come up to 7.
Locked in. Sample. We're in the parking lot of the hospital trying to get a stop. I'll go get further.
Show me your hands! Hands up! Show me your hands! Show me your fucking hands! Hey, what? Show me your fucking hands! Hey, let us see your hands right now! Let us see your hands! Those hands! Keep your hands up right now! Keep your hands up! Y'all see your hands? Your hands! Your hands! Keep your hands up now! Show me your hands!
Hey.
is it? Man, I should have told you that they had spikes on it.
Yeah, you should have. That'd have been nice information.
I thought you were listening.
Flabbergasted.
Did y'all close for a record yet or no? 23.
Hey,
I'm gonna have to because my spare's jacked up too.
oh, these are random.
Black man on that seat with
What's your name?
I tried to dig you down. I don't know if y'all saw me on 7th Street. I was turned on in and everything. I don't know if y'all
I tried to hook up to it and slow down, but it just ripped my freaking
Did it mess up your car any?
No. Just my bumper and this. On there. Right here. I hooked to their little.
my heart.
Look, you saw an ambulance and you just got felony charges, fleeing, and a whole bunch of other things.
I want help. I don't know.
You're going to get some help. It's going to be the best the state can provide for a couple of years.
Hey, you already got the. Go ahead.
I want it. That's why I came over here. I told y'all we did. I saw the trace. I saw the trace on the truck. My heart, I had no heart. December 18th, and it running too fast.
I don't know.
I got the
We'll
Get somebody to take it.
let me see what since Darren's on to take a photograph of us. I want to get one of the doctors. I want to come out here and check her out, make sure she's not having a heart attack. Come on.
Look, the ambulance is already here. Look over that one.
Well, I mean, we can either walk her in there.
No, I can have it. She's going to check too. What do you say?
Let me lock my car up. Hey, we gonna get you a doctor.
He's got a trace on it. I just need some
Good job, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna get the pictures of one for that.
You called him in?
I saw you start pushing on it. I was like, no way.
Bro, I was trying.
If she would have been going faster, it would have been.
I think my car was already flat.
Yeah, it was. It was. I started seeing sparks shoot out from hers. I saw sparks shooting out when she was driving down and he was trying to TVO.